Alright, today let's understand the basics of Google Cloud Storage Bucket. So we'll move to the storage. Here we have the storage option. Let's click on storage. That is one of the easiest way to get started with the buckets. So we'll first create one bucket, that is click on create. So bucket should be unique, that is globally unique. The name should not be duplicate. So let's mention Cloud Guru Amit. Let's click on continue. Next we have the location. So multi-region, definitely it's like a high availability feature. So we don't need high availability for now because it is a simple dummy demo. We can check here these options available here. So it includes, by default includes the multiple regions. For now let's select region because it will cost less. The more multi-region we go, the more it will cost. So let's click on before proceeding, let's select as US Central the region. Next let's continue. So there are now different storage class. So standard we use when we retrieve the data in short period of time, that is short term as mentioned. On the other hand, archive is just the opposite, like when we hardly or seldom access the data, then we archive, right? So that's how this goes. The lower we go, the lower the rate of data retrieval should be. Because if we select the other way around, if I select archive and try to access the object frequently, then it will cost more. So you need to keep in mind. So here we have the cost per month, and here we can see when we click on standard, the cost increases because for frequent data the cost will increase. Let's go click on continue now. Next we have the access control. So we don't want much of headache or tension. So we want a uniform access for all the objects, but if you want to customize, we can use fine grained, but for this demo uniform is fine. Let's click on continue, and then we have the object retention. How many days you want to retain the object. It's fine, duration is 7 days. We'll leave it as default. Last we have the encryption, how you want to encrypt the data. This is the default option, Google managed encryption keys. Let's click on create. So there we can see public access will be prevented and all. Let's we can remove it as well, or click on confirm. Will anyway configure these options as well. Let's remove it and confirm. So the bucket Cloud Guru Amit is now created because it's globally unique now. So next we'll be uploading some files from our local computer. So let me show how in local computer the image file looks. Alright, so this is our local computer. I have my own image. We'll be uploading this image onto the object Google Cloud Object Storage, and let's check whether it works fine or not. So let's create upload files. We can also upload a folder or create a folder, but for the simplicity, let's simply upload. Alright, so we have the files on our local computer. So let's click this file and let's click on open. So it automatically starts uploading. This is one of the best part I like in Google Cloud, that we don't need to click on one more time upload button and all. It gets automatically uploaded. So once we have uploaded this, let's check the permissions, what all permissions are there for this. Alright, under permissions we can see the grant access button. So let's check the principal. We'll select all authenticated users. Let's select one role. So we have for storage, let's remove it. So we have cloud storage here. Cloud storage, we the viewer, storage object viewer, because we just want to don't want much access for this, just for viewing purpose. So let's click on object viewer looks good. Let's click on save. So we have in the previous section, like it's seeing, are you sure you want to make this resource public? This is a dummy data anyway, so we can just allow public access, and we'll be opening the same file in the browser as well. Allow public access. So now the policy is updated. So now let's go back to the object. Let's now click this. Alright, so let's copy this authenticated URL and let's check whether it's opening or not. So it's loading. Yeah, this was our image, right, on a local computer. So we have successfully uploaded one unstructured object, right? So object storage is meant for unstructured data. Image is an unstructured data, so we have successfully uploaded this image file from our local computer, which was nothing but this file, into cloud, that is Google Cloud. We have uploaded here and we are able to view the data as well. So that's all for the basics. So let's meet in a different video, so we'll be covering some advanced concepts as well.